In today's video, I will show you how to fix a RAW SD card and recover data from it using SFware Data Recovery Tool. First, download and install the SFware SD card recovery software on your system. Launch the application. Connect the RAW SD card drive to the computer. Choose the drive that represents your SD card. Click on Start Scan. Once the quick scan completes, you can preview the data and save them in any location of your choice. Now let's fix RAW file system on SD card. Method 1. Open command prompt and type disk part and press enter. Now type list disk and hit enter again. Select your RAW SD card and type disk asterisk format fs equals FAT32. Replace asterisk with the drive letter of your RAW SD card. Once the process is completed, unplug the SD card reader and install it again. Method 2. Open File Explorer. Right-click on the SD card. Select the format option from the list and set NTFS or FAT32 file system. Once you format the file system of the SD card, remove the SD card safely and verify again. These were the methods to fix and recover your RAW SD card data.